Hello, it's Stu Sensei here from Duck Academy once again for you to hit you up with today's phrase, which is, how does that sound? How does that sound? So we can use this phrase when we have a plan or an idea that we want to share with someone and we want to find out what they think about it. So for example, you could say, today's been so busy. We could go for a cheeky beer. How does that sound? To your co-worker to find out whether they fancy going out with you for a drink. You could also use it when deciding a holiday, for example. So if you and your friend or you and your partner are deciding where to go, you could say, it's difficult, isn't it? Thailand, how does that sound? So those are two ways you could use the phrase, how does that sound? Hopefully this video has been useful for you. If it has, try and use it in the comments below. Can you give an example of a way you would use, how does that sound? I will check it later for you. So thank you very much for watching and have a great day, and I look forward to seeing you again soon. Thanks for watching. Ciao.